What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make buffalo chicken crostinis. So, cheers and let's cook. First thing we're gonna do is whip some cream cheese. I let that sit out until it got room temperature. That's 8 ounces of cream cheese. Just gonna put my paddle attachment on. We're gonna whip that till it's nice and smooth. That is looking good, so I'm just going to pop that open. I'm going to go in with 2 ounces of crumbled blue cheese, and we're going to give that another spin. That's all whipped up, so now I'm just going to transfer it into a piping bag. I'm just going to scoop it out with a spatula. Get that into a piping bag. And then we're going to set that aside. Next up, we're going to make our crostinis. I'm just going to slice up a baguette. I got those baguette slices onto a sheet tray with some parchment paper. I'm going to drizzle a little oil over them. I'm going to go under the broiler for just a minute, toast those up a little bit. Those are looking good, so now we're just going to set those aside. Next up, we're going to do a very small dice on a stalk of celery. I like to cut it into thirds, just makes it more easy to work with. I'm going to cut that into small strips. And then we'll come back through the other way. This is going to make a nice little garnish for our crostinis. I got 2 chicken fingers here that I cooked off earlier, so now I'm just going to dice those up. For our sauce, I have 1/3 cup of Frank's hot sauce. To that, I'm going to add 1/2 tablespoon of butter. Just whisk that in with a fork. If you want them a little more mild, you could add a little more butter to it. We'll go into a bowl with our chicken and our sauce. Just give that a little toss. And it is time to assemble. To build these, the first thing we're going to do is go into each crostini. We're going to pipe some of that cream cheese mixture on. Then I'm going to top each one with a piece of our chicken, our buffalo chicken. And to finish them, we'll go back through with a little of our celery. Just stick that into the sides. Got some beautiful little crostinis here. And those are ready to go. We'll just get them onto a platter. It's time to eat. We got a delicious little appetizer here, and this is only about half of what that made. Just wanted to get it onto a plate for you to see, but it's perfect for any game day parties you got going on or any other get-togethers you're having. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. The recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.